It's arrived! So, I ordered the Peculiar Taste box last year. It was a Kickstarter and it had one of my favorite authors, Katie Robert, doing it. Also, a few of the ones that I started reading had also submitted to this. I got the ebooks last year, but the physical copies have arrived. And thank you so much for backing out. Okay, so this is just like, when I post this, make sure to tag them, which I will. So what I really like about these are not only are they the big poppy floppy paperbacks, but what they do is they're flip around books. So there's 2 stories in each volume, and you just flip to you get it. So this one is the Captive Merman's Promise, which I have not read. And then the second one is the Fae Queen's Captive, which I have read, by Sierra Simone. And she was the one who I'm also reading the Arthurian trilogy from. Oh! Hello. Oh yeah, I think they come with book plates as well. So I will stick in the book plates. So this is the Death God Sacrifice by Jenny Nordbeck, and the Demon's Bargain by Katie Robert. This is also part of another of Katie's series, which I like the first one. But again, it's just, this is so fun. This is just, oh my God, I love when books are double printed like this. It just, yeah, I'm so excited to have these on my shelves, and the font is all shimmery. Be gone from me. And then I think the final volume is the Hellmouth's Guardian's Lover by Adriana Herrera, and Nikki Sloane's The Vixen's Deceit. And actually, I have been reading more of Adriana Herrera. She has several short stories, which I really, really love. And so I'm excited to read the Hellmouth's Guardian's Lover. And yep, this is just... So I've got volumes 1, 2, and 3, alongside all the signed book plates, and just this is gorgeous. I'm so in love with this set. They do have a pirate the next season of this Bonkers romance series is pirate themed, and your girl is getting on that action because she loves pirates. But yeah, that is my haul. It also, they came with book plates that are specially designed for each of the authors as well. So I'm just but yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.